something. So right now tonight, I take a bag and I disappear. My kids them okay. Right? Me get one look a bag. Me sorry, me never have one look at Airbnb. Like, me just find somewhere tonight and I go just go rest there. Even if I go up on my daddy, I go up on my daddy. You don't think me an idiot? No phone no look for me and think say me also go kuno mono. Yeah, me didn't fight back for the relationship. Me not lie to no. Me did day here. My daughter them against me. My son them against me. You understand me? Alright, let me tell you this, guys, right? I'm no stupid, right? Let me tell you this. I did not go through hurt, yes. I feel pain. Like, when I go through, it was hard. I lose my bigger kids them. And now, me and him there, him live next door me. So me and him still in our contact together. I'm not afraid of telling you that. But me tell you now one video. I told you guys in a video, right? Me not hide nothing. Me just straight out when me talk, right? No. Me and him did not contact same way. You get me? I'm not afraid to tell you. So, yeah, that's it. Me and him still a link up and every little thing like that. You get me? Boom, so him tell me, say, me and him a go get married, ask me for baby, all of that. Me and him a roll and everything like that. Every 3 days, I go down at the woman yard, go stay. And the rest of the time, in there up at my place, right? Afterwards, I do figure out, said, listen to me, a style thing. You understand? See, moment, it's them sisters, somebody come out and said, okay, then them ask me out and I go out and dip on date, I'm happy and me I smile. Them would not do this. Because I see the night when time me go out on the date, right? Right? You see the night when time me go out on the date, the baby mother have baby. So you can imagine if I never did go out on the date, that mean I would be home crying, down, heartbreak, all of that. You get me? Right? So, yeah, that said, I don't know, like God does send a day there, like God does make it happen on the day there, me end up go on the date. You understand? And me I tell you this, are the best, like, are the best date me ever go on in any relationship. I tell myself, say, even if anything happen, I tell you, I would never disrespect this young man. I would never disrespect him because I see the man swooping like Prince Charming and come sweep me up on half of my feet, bring me bouquet, you know, make me have a wonderful night. You get me? When you never did think about my feelings. This man never did think nothing about my feelings, like nothing about me. I bet if me did the warm sad and a ball and me head pick out. Right, me head picky and me in I also and me a ball and so nose not a good on my nose. Yeah, right? That's how you wouldn't want to say. You wouldn't want to say yeah, come out and ask back for it. You wouldn't want to do that though. Right? Listen to me, I don't eat that. I'm not going to kill up myself. I'm not going to do that. Because that's crazy. Why so much people have sent me requests? It's a lie. What's a lie? What's a lie? Let me know what is a lie. And why? Look here, guys, I can't turn off a game request. What is a lie? Because a lot of you just take this thing for some joke. What is a lie? Guys, we're going to some taps on the screen. What is a lie? Everything on just come like on want excitement. What is a lie? What? Give me some of my face, I sweat. What is a lie? Tell me now. Yeah, just freshen up this to me. What is a lie? That's crazy. Honestly. You are so beautiful. Thank you. Stay. Alright, baby. I'm telling you already, you know. So if this a man and no love me or if him no want me or if I views him I use me for, well at the boat away I get the views. At the boat away I get the views. You understand?
Yes.
What going, baby?
Are you okay?
Trying to be. I'm okay though. I'm sorry you never live near me. I just sleep over your yard. I swear I would.
So you're not comfortable where you are?
Not at this moment, no.
You're not comfortable? Although me in my time I need anything I can do to help.
Oh my God. We can work out. We can work out, I swear. And I just if I did the next door, but it can work out, I swear.
Just take it easy. You were there motivating me yesterday and I really appreciated it.
It's like, you know, this is like, you see this? Someone I can part, but I don't like a person like, yeah, my ex, right? And okay, say you still love me, but you can depend on the live and tell people, like, say, the same night when me and Kevin go out, the same night, me and you in a bed, like, that crazy. That's crazy. You understand? And you go fight back for me, but you go come and talk be lies because you want to get me back. You go say them the type of lies them about me at the end of the day. Come on, man. That honestly, I mean, I don't know. From what day, like you notice me there over Kingston, Kevin there, right?
Yeah.
Me not feel that energy there for argue with nobody. Like, I just feel like me depend on a calmer spirit. So I not need it. I'm not busy when nobody want to talk, say, and if him even want to believe what them a chat, say, me not here. Me just not depend that.
Okay.
You understand?
Well, I don't know, make me hear lie at people. I know people tell lie.
Focus on your happiness. No, seriously, because watch this. The night when time me and Kevin go out, at the same night the baby mother have baby. Guys, my baby gonna help me catch his speed. Yeah. The same night. And what him say is, him say on that carry down the clothes, them go get the baby mother. Right? Because I cut the baby mother again. So on that carry the clothes down, go get the baby mother. And next thing,
I
come back up.
me not interrupt you, but Mr. Mitchat, you and police left?
Who said that?
Them in a chat a flood me chat with it. Me not understand.
Me don't know what the news with them get. What them matter about?
Oh, alright, sorry. Moving on.
Yeah, so as I say, right? Same night when I go up on the date, at the same night when time baby mother have baby, she get cut, right?
Mm-hmm.
So him say, you would carry down the clothes, them go get the baby mother, and come back up, and you would like to go up on the date with me because I'm birthday. You understand, right? Yet still, me as a woman, me I consider it, and me I look on it, and me I say, boy, because if a man would have do me that, me kick him down right in the hospital, no joke. You see me, right? So me did my focus on the date because the young man step out, ask me on a date, we have everything planned, and me still go ahead with my plan. Girl, you see, if me never did do this, me not lie to you. Maybe mother in a house a bad. Me even look on him and tell him, like me look on Kevin and me tell Kevin the truth in his face. Say, here what? You see, if this never happen, I feel like me mother there in my house, I cry, I stroll upon live. You understand? Me guys, you can't shoot on the triple, please. I stroll upon live and feeling down.
Thank you so much. Mrs. Somebody subscribe.
Right? Guys, you can't tap on the screen, please, and thank you, Queen. Thank you, baby.
Kimberly.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right? So, from this on, I just literally just move on. Like, me just feel happy. Me glad. You understand? Me say certain things. Thank you, baby. Me glad for certain things, you know. And, you know, me never dey home for, you know, stress out myself over somebody where never see me.
Mm-hmm. But, who name Kevin?
Kevin, a TikTok police.
Oh!
When I talk about...
Okay. Oh, yeah, I didn't catch up. I think Messi something on the F.
We catch up last night about the same, you know, having the person talking to me on phone. Stop talking.
Jealous.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So you have to stop talking to my ex. Yes, somebody are coming in the comment section with it.
Stop talking to your ex?
About it. Like literally we talk about it and we decided, okay, then
hold on. You said stop talking to your ex. Are your ex you did that talk to?
Yeah, I was on the stay focused, mama. Yeah, because I'm not talking to him on the phone. Right? And he feel a way about it. You know, like that.
So why were you talking to your ex?
Because him call me and not talk to me. Like him call my phone, boot me take up my phone, hello. Like we don't have like we not nothing against you. You know?
It was just like a single you want TikTok police in a serious relationship. That me know based off what me see.
Mm-hmm.
So why you need to entertain your ex?
I never like to entertain the person. The person just call me.
Entertainment mean like talk, like, you know, friendly talk.
Yeah, the person call me. Hey, guys, listen, right? Me not tell us I'm right. Guys, thank you so much. But some water, my mouth feel funny. Listen to me. Person call me off a base of a video where him see, right? And him talk to me about the video and he just say, me just don't want nobody use you. Ray. I did that. We just talk for like a couple minutes. Me never did actually take it for nothing. Because a couple minutes after, somebody else called me again. I'm in the bathroom and I answer the call. Me there on the phone the whole time I talk to the man and we did it, I make love or something. We was just talking. Literally.
Me not love that, babes.
Yeah, me know. I'm
cut it off. Feel if TikTok police did talk to him ex on the phone.
Me cut it off, like.
Oh, you cut it off now?
Yeah, me cut it off from...
I'm not going to be no hypocrite now. I'm not going to sit down here and support no foolishness.
No, me never say no. Listen. I never say you should do that.
Yeah.
But I'm wrong. You listen to what I say?
Good.
I am wrong. Right?
I apologize.
Yeah, me apologize. Like, me apologize last night. Jaden did it. The whole camera did it.
I never did that keep up, so that's why
I apologize behind the camera. You understand what me? I said me apologize. I made me trust and me block the person.
Okay, good.
Yes.
You should move on from there then. Once the apology is accepted and whatever, and you know where you go wrong, you take accountability, then that is fine. That's what relationships.
Thank you for the heart. Guys, we're gonna sun taps now, please.
Yes, sir.
Me know them over there boots him. Them over there boots him. Make the whole of them go and boots him and tell him what for do.
Huh?
Who confused? Oh, now look at story.
You were playing with the ex online?
Hmm?
Which?
Them a try to tell us my ex up online and chat about things.
Oh, which is the one where you did that to last night on the phone, the one where you block. So I'm upset say you block him. Well, him not over you then.
Thank you, baby. I'm in a business.
She was just talking to him.
Making chat them go and boots him, man. Me didn't know him not gonna be a problem now because he moved next door. So all me gonna do, I move go to Kingston. How about that? No like talk to
Annie. So how you say you block the man, but the people them must say you just dip on live with the man?
You know say you mix up you. I should have
and what the people them must say in the chat?
So you have, why you follow the chat? Why you follow the chat? You know say chat mix up.
Chat, when you come out of my chat, move.
God no. Why then should I not do a tap up your screen because they are 87 when I taps you there?
Guys,
meanwhile them answer them a question the year score should have high.
Exactly, guys. Me not don't get the money for the car yet, you know.
Yeah.
Huh? Come, guys, come. All right, come.
So tell them say they want ask question, make your score look better than that. Thank you, my baby.
Come, guys. Me still have to put towards the car. Me have 35 left. Come, guys.
Somebody can help me, guys. Me beg something, guys. I'm begging $100.
Over here, type. Help me. Not help.
Guys, me beg $100. Me beg somebody. One of my foreign friend them can beg $100. I want to go to Kingston tomorrow.
What? Me no business. I the car money. Me I defend.
Thank you, baby.